Hey friends, I'm Stacy.
And I'm Kevin.
And if you watched our last video, you know that we have a family compound, Be Free Acres, and we have left Be Free Acres for another adventure for the week. And here's our adventure.
So we're in the Keys at John Pennekamp State Park on the Key Largo. Actually, we're in Key Largo.
So we're gonna be doing some snorkeling, some fishing and boating. We're gonna do some kayaking. So we're gonna share all of our excursions, but we're gonna do it in smaller, short videos this whole week.
So today is Easter, which marks new beginnings, and obviously that's a special day within itself. But
it's also really special because something that we really haven't shared with anyone really for the most part is that our daughter Taylor and her husband Eric are going through some pretty big challenges over the past couple of years with infertility, which is super hard for them, but also it's really hard as a parent to watch your kids go through something like that. Oftentimes I say it's easier to do it to have something happen to you than to watch your kids go through something. So that's been really hard, and today we are waiting and kind of following along. We've talked to them several times this morning because they are actually have started their fertility process with a fertility doctor, and today they're getting an IUI done. Is that what it is? Mm-hmm. They're doing IUI. So they're starting with IUI, and today is the first time they have done the triggering, and they're going to do the IUI process, which is on Easter as well, which marks new beginnings. And there's just like all of that just has, I just am so hopeful, and all my thoughts and prayers with them as hoping that this is going to be the time that they get a new beginning. We're just waiting to hear from them to see how it went today. Coda, come get your breakfast. Hello?
Hello, it's done.
How was it?
It's fine. I cried after they did it when they left the room, so I'm so scared.
I know.
But, Eric had 62 million.
Oh my gosh. Well, he has a lot of swimmers, so.
They said that was a fantastic number for an IUI.
Wow. Well, I just pray. We're just gonna pray, and you know, like the good news is that no matter what happens, it's not over.
Yeah. Oh, it's just like overwhelming. I just don't feel good at all. Like I'm hurting so bad and all of that. Like I just don't feel good.
I know.
And I'm like on hormone stuff, so it's making me cry.
I know.
Oh, I'm so scared.
I know.
It'll be okay.
No matter what happens, it's gonna be okay. And no matter what happens, the journey is still, like, it's not, you know, it's not done by any means. So, but this, you know, this could be it. So there's that too. So it's exciting but scary, all the things. You need to go home, you need to lay down, you need to get some good comfort food that you enjoy. And have your comfort food and relax and all the things. And then we know we're gonna have a really fun day on April the 15th. Is that the day?
Yeah.
When we find out.
Yeah. All right. I love you.
I love you too. We're gonna go snorkel now. So if you can't get a hold of us, we're snorkeling. But I'll call you as soon as we get done.
Okay.
I love you. Bye-bye. Okay, here we go. We're on our way to snorkeling, and we're a little bit late because somebody was taking forever this morning, and not really doing anything to help our cause of getting ready. Just kind of.
Well, you know, this doesn't just happen.
Yeah.
Actually, it does because it's pretty crusty, but I don't know. Normally, I'm the one that's harping on her about getting ready and being on time, and somehow we've gone into an alternate universe where the roles have flipped.
Yeah, absolutely. So we gotta hurry.
Okay, so we're heading over to the check-in center because where you get your snorkel gear is different from where you check in for the actual snorkel tour. Here. And the other person on the boat is Robert. Robert's going to be dive master, instructor, and hopefully not your rescue swimmer. Hey, if you don't want to sit over here, that's fine.
If anyone has any problems or questions during the trip, please let me know and I'll help you as best I can. I'll do it now. But it's fine. Okay?
Yeah, Chris already went that way.
Time to go home. So please come on back. You got 28 seconds to get on the boat because I'm leaving. All the elbows inside the boat. Elbows and arms inside the boat.
We just got finished with the snorkeling and we went to Grecian Reef. Is that right?
Grecian Reef, yep.
And it was so much fun. We saw a lot of stuff. It was a lot of fun, and already, I'm gonna be honest, I'm changing my mind now completely, as I always do, about John Penncamp State Park.
Yeah.
I thought that, I don't know if this is gonna be that good, and blah, 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 blah.
It was good.
And not only is it really, it's really good, and what's really nice about here is that you don't even have to leave your campsite, and everything is right here. Because you can do so much, you can scuba dive, you can rent boats, you can go to the beach, you can go kayaking, paddle boarding, and snorkeling. And again, you just don't even have to
You
leave.
don't have to drive. You just jump in your
We walked.
jump in your Crocs and start walking, baby.
Yeah, I'm gonna be, here's a shameful moment for me. We're wearing Crocs.
Not a shameful moment for me. Wait. Let me see. Okay, great thing about Crocs. Okay, casual, like this. Sport mode, like this.
I don't have sport.
Casual.
I don't have sport mode on my Crocs. However, again, just a really good time, and so, yeah. So if you've watched any of our videos before, you may have noticed Coda is my white golden doodle, well, our white golden doodle. So Coda's been hanging out at the camper, having a day off today. And one thing I love about Coda is that it doesn't matter when we get back. Of course, Coda's our golden doodle. when we get back, if it's been 10 minutes or it's been 4 hours, he is equally excited to see us, as if he's not seen us in years and he thought we might have left him forever. Buddy! Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! Hi, buddy! Oh, goodness! Goodness! Oh, my goodness! We're so excited. You're so excited to see us. We're so excited, so excited.
One of the things we do when we leave Coda is we actually have internet that's set up. We have a wireless hotspot. And if we don't have that available, like if that doesn't have service, we also have Starlink. But attached to those, we have a pet camera called Pet Cube, where we can actually monitor Coda, as well as we have another device called a Waggle, and that monitors the temperature inside the camper. So we're running the air conditioner right now, but if something happened and the power went out, we wouldn't be able to, if it's really hot in a certain area, obviously it's a black box, we don't want something to happen to Coda. So we can actually monitor, and it sends alerts to us. So as long as we are in range with our phones of internet service, we will get alerted. So we try to not go out of that range if we're leaving Coda alone.
We're hungry now. We had fantastic shrimp.
Shrimp.
Fish.
She's allergic to shrimp. I'd be on the way to the emergency room if she had shrimp.
We actually, it's at Key Largo. They actually supply all the fish from the boats that come in. They supply all the fish and run it around to all the different restaurants, but they also have a place called Backyard Cafe. And so it's Key Largo Fishery
Company or fisheries or something.
Fish company, something like that, but then they have Backyard Cafe, and it's a counter. You just walk up, you order, and then you take it and go sit down in the marina right there.
Yep.
So good.
I wouldn't even go anywhere else. If you're looking for fish, just go straight there. Don't even bother with anybody
Absolutely.
else.
And the thing is we're more about, understand though, that we're more about the taste than about the ambiance.
But I thought it was great. You're right there in the marina. You're looking at all the boats. I thought it was pretty cool.
I did too. It's not fancy, but delicious. So
Delicious, yes.
gets a 2 thumbs up.
Yep.